The design brief called for a spacious, multi-generational home that balances privacy with family bonding, with the support of a reputable construction firm skilled in large-scale projects. The team tackled the challenge of fitting an 8,000 square feet house onto a 5,500 square feet plot. Innovative engineering techniques allowed for a full basement to be excavated, showcasing the complexities involved in creating a residence that harmonizes with its surroundings. The house's entrance features fixed timber screens that provide both solidity and porosity, offering glimpses into the interior while maintaining privacy. A solitary tree visible from the entry hints at the habitable basement below, suggesting a depth that contrasts with the exterior appearance. This thoughtful design emphasizes the interplay between outside and inside spaces. Inspired by the nearby school field, the open-plan layout fosters a clear hierarchy of spaces within a rectilinear form. Walls are minimized to create a seamless flow, enhanced by a transparent staircase and lift core. A pool reflects the sky and surrounding greenery, inviting nature into the home and creating a serene atmosphere where boundaries dissolve. The basement is strategically designed with sunken gardens that promote natural ventilation and daylight, transforming it into a vibrant space for work, play, and relaxation. The timber screens soften the exterior and unify the FODE, allowing the house to thrive in Singapore's humid climate. This harmonious relationship between architecture and nature reflects the owner-builder's passion for creating a living space that nurtures both its inhabitants and the environment.